Hello and welcome back. Time for another Elden Ring tutorial. I'm going to show you how to beat the Magma Wyrm in the Gael Tunnel. And the resulting treasure for this is the Moonveil blade, which is amazing. So here we go. We'll go right in and we're going to want to get a summons out as soon as possible. I'm going to use Lutel the Headless. And then what you want to do is you want to run around him. He's going to do a magma breath right away. Run around the breath and go to the back side of him, kind of the belly area. And stick to the belly and hindquarters and the legs. And then you'll probably get a couple of hits in, and then he'll want to do his breath again. And then he'll run through that area. So just avoid him. And you can usually come in right when he's done sliding. You can come in and get a hit on his face, and then go for the belly again. Usually you'll just get watch out for that slam attack. That almost one-shot me. So depending on what your health is, you can get one-shotted by that slam attack that he does. Again, the trick here is kind of stay by the legs and the tail and keep whacking him. And you can kind of stagger him sometimes if you're using a larger blade with two hands, like I have the Blood Fang, one of my favorite weapons, and just keep whacking him. And that Blood Fang isn't upgraded a whole lot, so it's like a level 2 I think at this point. So again, just retreat when he's running through the magma, and then that gives you time to use a health potion if you want, one of your flasks. And then watch out for that sword attack, because he could almost one-shot you with that as well. Or swing at his neck and belly area here. Again, just trying to stay clear of his mouth. I don't try to go after his face unless his face is right on the ground after he does his crawl move. Other than that, I just stick to the hind legs, stick to the tail area, and just keep whacking at him. And that is how I take care of the Magma Wyrm. And this method works well with all the Magma Wyrms in Elden Ring, kind of that same technique. And you'll get your Dragon Heart, and then you'll get Moonveil. I used Moonveil pretty much through my first playthrough once when I got it, until I got the Rivers of Blood Katana. Well, there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more.